Alright guys, welcome back to another video here at the Alpha Pack shop on the Teryx build. This will be video 4, I believe, of the series. And I've gotten all the welding done. I was able to get everything done using this little Lincoln electric welder instead of breaking out the big Miller-Matic over here. Let me show you how I was able to get it all fixed up. Remember, here's the old A-arms right here. So that one was ripped off completely, right? The upper A-arms were bent or ripped. Everything was just thrash, right? So, yeah, those are trash. So we'll show you how I was able to get the frame parts fixed up. All right, so on the bumper mounts, I was able to straighten everything out, like I said previously, and weld up any spots that I felt needed to be reinforced or welded up. I even was able to get up inside of here to strengthen things up. This side was split down, and it wasn't connected anymore, so I was able to get that fixed back up. And on this side that wasn't damaged, I went ahead and reinforced it with a bead here in the middle of that upper A-arm mount. So the other side that was damaged, so this side was ripped completely out, this one here, and it was just an open hole here on both tabs. So I took a washer, 2 washers that fit those OE bolts perfectly, and then I tightened the bolt up slightly, and then I tack welded each washer in place, took the bolt back out, and then tacked all the way around it. And then, so up in here was still wide open because I didn't put a washer on the inside. So after I had it all welded up, I went ahead and filled this with weld on either tab here on the ears to make it flush, because I didn't want those bushings, those new bushings, to get worn out from rubbing on a bunch of crap. So now it's smooth in there. It's not going to hurt the bushings. This upper one, I had to take a porta press or whatever they called. They use them for like fixing frames or whatnot. And I put it here to here and was able to push this ear back out a little and get it straighter than I had it before. And then I went ahead and took the welder and I went down each edge, fixed that or reinforced it. These ears were all tore up and splitting. So I went ahead and welded all the way around the ears here, and then sanded it and ground it down nice and flush, flat. The outside I had to fill in over here. Basically I had to weld a bunch of this. I didn't want to put a washer out here because it was going to be too thick. So I just filled with weld, kept filling with weld, and then I ground everything down nice and flush. And that was for the gusset kit to fit flush, because when I added this, you know, it's going to obviously push this out slightly on the gusset kit. And if I would have just had this one washer here and nothing filled here, it was going to tweak the gusset kit, and I didn't want to do that. So now the gusset kit will fit perfectly like it's supposed to. Everything is flush and it won't bend it whenever I tighten it all down. So, yep, welding's done. And I'm about to throw some paint on her, and once that's dry, it'll be time to start throwing plastics back on and get it all thrown back together. Hopefully it won't take too long, but and then also put that steering link on and start getting the front end together. So I'll as I keep going, keep getting some progress for y'all.